Narcissus. The role of a professional victim, a person whose existence and very identity rests solely and entirely on his victimhood, is well researched in victimology. It doesn't make for a nice reading. These victim pros, victim professionals, are often more cruel, vengeful, vitriolic, lacking in compassion and violent than their abusers to start with. They make a career of being a victim. They identify with this role to the exclusion of all else. This is a danger that should be avoided by every victim of abuse and every survivor of abuse. And it is precisely what I call narcissistic contagion, or narcissism by proxy. Narcissism, pathological, malignant narcissism, is contagious, exactly like a disease. It can create epidemics. It can infect its victims, and they in turn become narcissists. It's a little like the werewolf movies. A single bite by a narcissist can render you, the victim, a narcissist as well. Those affected, entertain the false notion that they can compartmentalize their narcissistic behavior and direct it only at the narcissist. In other words, they trust in their ability to segregate their